Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study Laxmikant effectively. This comprehensive guide is crucial for civil services aspirants, and a strategic approach is key to mastering its vast content. We'll cover methods to enhance your understanding, improve retention, and maximize your scores. By following these steps, you can transform your study routine and achieve a deeper grasp of Indian polity, making your preparation much more efficient and rewarding. Active reading is fundamental. Begin by reading each chapter at least 2 or 3 times to build a strong foundation. As you read, create your own crisp, handwritten notes, focusing on key articles, amendments, and landmark judgments. Incorporate flowcharts and diagrams to simplify complex topics like the distribution of powers or the electoral process. This active engagement helps solidify your understanding and makes revision much quicker later on. Consistent revision is non-negotiable for long-term retention. Set up a regular schedule, perhaps every week or 2 weeks, to revisit previously studied chapters. Crucially, solve a significant number of multiple-choice questions, aim for 50 to 100 per chapter, to test your knowledge and application. Also, thoroughly analyze previous year's question papers to understand the exam pattern and identify high-yield topics, ensuring your efforts are well-directed. To deepen your understanding, always connect current events with relevant constitutional provisions. This contextual learning makes the subject more dynamic and easier to remember. Avoid the pitfall of getting lost in minor details. Instead, prioritize the core principles and significant articles. Finally, regularly self-test using flashcards or quick quizzes to identify and strengthen your weak areas. This holistic approach will ensure a comprehensive and effective preparation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.